Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Play Store search history. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. In the pop-up menu, tap Settings. On the next page, tap General. In the drop-down menu, tap Account and Device Preferences. On the following page, scroll down and tap Clear Device Search History. Next, you will see a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice. Tap Clear History to confirm. There you have it. You've successfully deleted your Play Store search history. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.